Hey guys, quick little update. My Tesla screen just went blank on me. It's not responding if I open the door. Nothing. The lights are on. The screen's not working. Do I press these? Let's see what happens. I'm holding it for 10 seconds. We'll see. Guys, this is the first time it's happened to me. I have no idea what's going on. The lights are, the signals are working. But if I want to back up, I can't see anything. The cameras aren't on. Come on. This is not good. This is so dangerous. At least I'm parked, but we'll see. I'm gonna hold these two down for 10 seconds. That's what I've heard online. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anything? Nothing. What? I have no idea, guys. Let's try this. The hazards are working. That's a good sign. But the screen... So I've seen online people are supposed to hold both of these controls down. Foot on the brake, I believe. Guys, please leave a comment why this happened. I have no idea. This is a brand new car. This is not good. Let's see if you open the door, if anything comes on. Close it. Windows are working. That's a good sign. But nothing on the screen. I'm so lost for words. Let's hold them down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nothing. Nada. Open glove box. Commands aren't working. I can reverse out. See, I'm reversing backwards right now. And nothing. I'm still in reverse. I can drive up. Foot off the gas pedal. Park. It holds the car. It works. I can drive it. But I can't see anything. My speed, my cameras. I can't control my climate. What is this? I have no idea, guys. I'm lost as you. We'll see if we... Come on, anything? The signals are working. Like that. Washer fluid is working. But no screen. Come on. You're too smart to be failing on me like this. Oh. Come on. Come back to life, please. Oh, there we go. What was that all about? Wow, so we just got the screen back. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. Let's see if I open the door. Let's see if it responds. Yep, it's responding. Let's see if my backup camera works. That works, all right. We're back to normal. Drive. That's good. Park. Everything's working, but I have no idea why it did that. Guys, help me out. Trying to figure this problem out. Leave a comment, spread this video around so we can get to the bottom of this. Thank you for watching, guys.